I can totally zoom in Notepad too, but I cannot zoom in with Control Mouse Wheel in Visual Studio Code. That sucks. So to be able to zoom in like that, you need this string, this line. And then in Visual Studio Code, hit Control Shift P and type in preferences or just settings JSON. Alright, so open that file. And in here you need to create a new line. Save. And now, Control Mouse Wheel. Oh, it works. Oh, it's so beautiful. This feels so much better. Okay. I'm not sure if this is necessary, but you might also need font size shortcuts. I don't know. My first solution was to use this, and then I can use Control Plus to zoom now. I don't know if this is good. I mean, it prevents the UI from staying the same size. Yeah, so you probably want that too. Okay, good. So hope this helps, and if not, this video will be useful for me later. Enjoy a Visual Studio with humane user interface. Zoom, 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 zoom. Till next time, ciao.